multiple integrals, double integrals, changing the order of integration. Now we are going to see order changings in double integrals. That is limits integral changing by using the diagram, by using the from the given limits by drawing a diagram and changing the limits. This is changing the order of integration. Let us do first how to take the steps to change order of integration. This is x-axis, y-axis, limits on the x-axis a to b. This is curve. Curve. This is the required area. We have taken limit on the x-axis a to b. A to b. Here, if we take limit on the x-axis, the curve y is bottom to top. Bottom to top. Y is a curve. The y is negative, here positive. From negative only we are moving in upwards, if a positive direction. Therefore, our arrow is y is bottom to top. See, curve. This is curve. Y is a curve. Similarly, y is bottom to top. Y is bottom to top. Y is a function of x. Let us say f1 of x. Here also f2 of x. Therefore, limits on a to b. The curve is y. The y is a curve. f1 of x and f2 of x are function of xy. dy dx. If the limits are in x, that belongs to y only. We have to integrate with respect to y only. After integrating, applying the limits, we have to integrate with respect to x. This is the way of taking. If you take on the x-axis a to b, y is bottom to top. Y is a curve arrow. See the arrow. Y is bottom to top. Y is a curve. y1 of x, f1 of x, f2 of x. Similarly, if we take limits on y-axis, let's take a to b, y-axis, origin, curve. Let us draw any form of curve. If we take limits on y-axis, curve is x to left to right. X is left to right. Let us draw at the side the same steps. Here, x is left to right. X is a curve. Here, x is f1 of y, the same x is f2 of y. If we take limits on the y-axis, a to b, x is left to right, x is left to right. X is a f1 of function of f1 of y and f2 of y, a function of xy dx dy. The limits are in y. We have to integrate with respect to x initially. After applying the limits, we have to finally integrate with respect to y. This is the way of taking the steps in changing the order of integration if limits taken on y axis. Let us do a sum. So let us do a sum. Change the order of integration. Let us take a sum number 1. Change the order of integration integration 0 to a s square by a 2a minus x xy dy dx. If the limits are in x, we have to initially integrate with respect to y only and evaluate. Evaluate the integral. We have to change order of integration for this integral. If we also change of integration, let us limit separately 0 to a s square by a 2a minus x. Let us take the limits separately in two integrals limit, the same limit. If limits are in x equal to y, if the limits are in x equal to y, remaining is equal to x. This is the way of taking the curve. These 1, 2, 3, 4 are the curves. We have to take the 4 curves 1, 2, 3, 4 and draw the diagram. See, the curve is, first let us take this curve, s square equal to ay and x 2a minus x equal to y and x equal to 0 and x equal to a. Again writing s square equal to ay, a cross ay, x plus y equal to 2a, x equal to 0, x equal to a. By these 4 curves, we have to draw the diagram. Origin. See, this is the parabola. Shapes are the parabolas. This is the initial shape. S square equal to y square equal to 4ax, initial shape, and this is next shape is y square equal to minus 4ax, opposite in direction, and this parabola is s square equal to 4ay, and this is the parabola s square equal to minus 4ay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 types of parabolas. The s square equal to ay. This is the shape of this parabola. S square equal to 4ay. A is a constant. Then the x square ay. This is the shape of this parabola. We have to draw the diagram. See, this is the shape of the parabola. This is the shape, U shape. Let us draw the diagram. U shape with the parabola, and put x equal to a, x equal to a, y also a. Both A and B cuts here. Both the points A and B cuts here, and put y equal to a, y equal to 0, x equal to 2a, a 2a, a 2a. To draw the straight line, this is the straight line. When x equal to 0, y equal to 2a, a 2a. Let us draw the straight line. This is x plus y equal to 2a. This line is, therefore, this is the 0 to a, a to 2a. This region is a required region for the integration. We are getting two separate regions for this integration. See, again, this is x equal to 0, is the y axis. Here, s square equal to ay is the equation of the parabola. This is straight line, and x equal to a, this is the line x equal to a. This line is x equal to a. The equation of this line is x equal to a. X equal to a. X equal to 0 is the equation of y axis. X equal to a is the a distance. Wherever you see distance a, therefore equation of this line is x equal to a. X equal to a given. X plus y equal to 2a. This is parabola. This is parabola. This is a required diagram. They have given 0 to a, s square by a, 2a minus x. Now we are going to change integration xy dy dx. This is the given sum. Let us change order of integration. Here they have taken the limits on x axis, 0 to a, x axis. Y is bottom top, y is s squared by a, s squared by a. Top y is 2a minus x, 2a minus x. Again, we are for change of integration, we have to take the limits on y axis. Y axis first limit is 0 to a. 0 to a. This line cuts the both curves on the left to right. Left is x equal to 0 is the equation of y axis curve. 0 x equal to 0. This is x equal to root of ay. X is left to right. X is 0. Right is function of y, root of ay of xy dx dy plus a to 2a. A to 2a. This curve is left to right. This line cuts the both curves. Curve is line, straight line, and the parabola. X equal to 0. Left side is curve x equal to 0, and right side curve is, this is the curve for this limit a to 2a. Right side is the straight line. X is 2a minus y. X equal to 2a minus y of xy dx dy. We have changed order of integration. For any sum, we can write the limits by seeing the diagram. The given sum is limit taken on the limits on the x-axis, 0 to a. Y is bottom top. Already told you, if you take limits on x-axis, y is bottom top. Here, y is bottom. Bottom y is s squared by a, s squared by a. Top y is, this is the top. Top y is 2a minus s, 2a minus s. Given sum also we can see by the diagram. Again, if you take the y axis, limits on the y axis, 0 to a, 0 to a. X is left to right. X equal to 0. Right x equal to root of a by. X is left right. This line cuts the two curves. Straight line, parabola. This cuts the two curves. Again, for the straight line, y limit is a to 2a, and x is left to right. X equal to 0. Right x is 2a minus y of same function xy dx dy. This is the way of changing the order of integration for any sum. We can see these both way of order changing from the diagram. This is the taken on x-axis. These two taken on the y-axis. If you do this sum, you will get the answer. If you do this same sum by applying the limits, you will get the same answer. But we should not do. If the ask change of integration, we should change the limits like this by seeing the diagram. Let us do the sum now. C equal to 0 to A, 0 to root of ay. If the limits are y, we have to integrate opposite x. Therefore, y taken out, x dx dy plus a to 2a. Here also limits in y. Therefore, we have to integrate with respect to x. Y taken out. Limit is 0 to 2a minus y, x dx dy. 0 to a, x, integrating x is s square by 2. Integration of x is, s dx is s square by 2, basic integration, s square by 2. Limit is root of ay dy plus a to 2a y. Integration of x is what? Same, s square by 2. Limit is 0 to 2a minus y dy. 0 to a, x, y here, y. Apply the limit. Root of ay, a square by 2, lower limit is 0 of dy plus a to 2a y, upper limit is 2a minus y whole square by 2, lower limit is 0 of dy. 0 to a y, root whole square is just ay by 2, lower limit is 0 dy plus 1 will be taken out, 1 by 2 a to 2a y into 2a minus y whole square dy. Equal to a by 2 taken out, 0 to a y square dy, plus 1 by 2 a to 2a. We cannot integrate with this only. Y should be multiplied inside this. Y into a minus b whole square, 2a whole a square minus 2ab plus b square of dy equal to a by 2 integrating y cubed by 3. Limit is 0 to a plus 1 by 2 a to 2a y into 4a square minus 4ay plus y square dy. A by 2, upper limit is a cubed by 3, lower limit is 0 plus 1 by 2 a to 2a y, taking inside 4a squared y minus 4ay plus y 4ay square y cubed dy. Here a power 4 by 6, a power 4 by 6 plus 1 by 2 of integrating 4 a square y square by 2 minus 4a y cubed by 3 plus y power 4 by 4 integrated. Limit is a to 2a. Applying the upper and lower limits for the integrated step equal to a power 4 by 6 plus 1 by 2 of upper limit 4 by 2, 2a square, 2a whole square minus 4a by 3 2a whole cubed plus 2a whole power 4 by 4. Applied upper limit minus lower limit a. 4 by 2, 2a square minus 4a by 3 a cubed plus a power 4 by 4. Limit applied, flower bracket. 1 by 2 is common. Equal to a power 4 by 6 plus 1 by 2 2a square 4a square minus 4a by 3 2 cubed is 8 a cubed plus 2 power 4 is 16 a power 4 by 4. This is upper limit arranged like this, and lower limit 4 a power 4 4a by 3 a power 4 plus a power 4 by 4 a power 4 by 6 plus 1 by 2 of 8 a power 4 minus 32 a cubed by 3 plus 4 a power 4 minus 2a power 4 2a power 4 plus 4a power 4 by 3 minus a power 4 by 4. Again, equal to a power 4 by 6 plus 1 by 2 of 8, all are a power 4. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 minus 2, 10. 10 a power 4. Here, this is also a power 4. 32 by 3 minus 32 by 3 plus 4 by 3 equal to minus 28 by 3 minus 28 by 3 a power 4 minus a power 4 by 4 equal to a power 4 by 6 plus 1 by 2 of 10 a power 4. LCM is 12. 12 to 10, 120 a power 4 minus 12, 3, 4, 428, 112 a power 4 minus 3 a power 4 equal to a power 4 by 6 plus 1 by 2 of 115 minus 120 minus 115, 5a power 4, 5a power 4 by 12 equal to a power 4 by 6 plus 5 a power 4 by 24. 24 is the LCM. 4a power 4 plus 5a power 4 equal to 9 a power 4 by 24. Simplifying 3 a power 4 by 8 is the answer.